How to change your email address in Grab. First of all, open the Grab app and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open your account settings. Next, at the top right corner, you will see the profile and the pencil icon. Tap on it. Now, tap on email and you can edit your email address. Make sure to enter it correctly and double check. Once you have entered the new email address, tap Save to update your details. Grab will send a verification email to your new address. Open the email and follow the verification link to confirm the change. And that's it. Now you know how to change your email address in Grab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.